I'm Carlo Baleros. I am 14 years old living in Ibata, Batangas. I am a grade 9 student from St. Mary's Educational Institute under Mr. Francis Joseph del Espiritu Santo, or who we usually call Sir F. Since little, I love checking on items and making something out of it. Like for example, a toy. I once made a toy gun out of bamboo sticks. I love playing drums, especially with my elder brother Kuya Gerald. He is my favorite bandmate. Kuya Gerald is my brother, my friend, and my playmate since we were little. We used to go out strolling around the place, playing basketball and biking. We also jam with musical instruments since he is very good at playing guitar. Now, my brother is in Manila for his school. I miss him. That is why I, together with my family, sometimes visit him in Manila or go out with him on Saturday and Sunday. I also have another sibling named Daniel. He is 4 years younger than I am. He loves singing. Sometimes he sings as we play the band with family. I also play with him like he is my baby boy, and he loves that. We used to make funny talks, watch movies from the internet, and play with different computer games since he loves gadgets. My brothers Daniel and Kuya Gerald are both sweet and loving. Naughty jokes and funny talks are some of our favorite bonding together as siblings. In our family, my mom is the only girl. That is why she is our muse. We used to make her the center of our stories. Whenever the family is having funny chit chats, and my mom loves that. She is the one who do the laundry while managing our store in Palanas. My beautiful mom never forgets to arrange herself despite of a lot of responsibilities in the family as mom. That that is why I admire her. My dad is our family's support. He manages the whole family and the store in Tubigan. He drives and cooks for us too. I am proud that my dad is responsible and a good father. He never gets tired of working for us and doing everything to make us happy. He drives in the morning to bring us to school and to open the store. He cooks our breakfast and our food packs. After work, he can still drive to Manila to buy some items for our store and to bring the whole family to Kuya Gerald. He takes care of my mom too. He always assure to put a smile on my mom's face. He gives my mom gifts to afford her happiness and excitement. With this, I am happy to know how much my mom and dad love each other. As a family, music is our favorite bonding, like Kuya and I. My dad loves playing instruments, and like mom, our baby Daniel loves to sing. That releases my parents' tiredness from day and their way of making the three of us happy.